What do we want from tomorrow's technologies? And what do we expect from them? Holding one's own in the fast lane of the road to advancement calls for technical competence and vision. Hella is well up for this challenge. As a successful family-owned company for more than 100 years, Hella is a global leader in developing and manufacturing lighting and electronic products for the automotive industry. Hella offers unique and innovative lighting solutions for all types of vehicles throughout the world. Members of staff throughout the world form the bedrock of Hella's success. For them, vision means thinking outside the box, challenging the current limits of technology to find the extraordinary ideas of the future. Attention to detail, understanding the basis, and trying it out in practice. Because only products that can withstand that are good enough for the market. Hella's electronic products offer pioneering solutions for the trends of the automotive industry: safety, comfort, environment. From electronic pedals to intelligent battery management for electric vehicles, Hella offers a wide range of innovative electronic products for all segments. Top-quality electronic products are created under the very latest high-tech conditions for customers all over the world. Special vehicles can also benefit from Hella's technological competence in the field of lighting and electronics. With its extensive range of aftermarket products, such as spare parts, wear parts, and accessories, Hella guarantees the provision of an enormous product diversity for wholesale partners and garages. Hella's logistics centers in Germany supply products to more than 1,000 original equipment manufacturers and more than 11,000 independent dealers. Our products can be delivered anywhere in the world just in time. Hella supplies wholesalers and garages with a wide and in-depth product range, professional workshop equipment, and first-class services. This competence from a single supplier enables garages to carry out repairs quickly and safely. As a partner for individual solutions, Hella develops, manufactures, and sells innovative products to customers around the world. With innovative strength, technological competence, and dedicated staff, Hella is en route to the future on the road to success. Technology with vision.